or in English, I don't know the exact word, but
swinging sofa.
finally we are here at the Center Mall. Look at this mall.
यहाँ पे हमको ऐसा लग रहा है ना ताजमहल हम आ गए। मॉल 1 साल बाद आना मेरे लिए ताजमहल के बराबर है लिटरली।
ऑनेस्टली मतलब बहुत दिनों बाद आकर थोड़ा सा अजीब, बहुत अच्छा वाइब लग रहा है, मतलब थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेशमेंट फील हो रहा है। ऑल्दो मेरा कल एग्जाम भी है, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा सा घूम लिया जाए।
कौन सा एग्जाम है उसको स्पेसिफाई करना चाहेंगे?
वो एक डोर एग्जाम है, डोर जिसकी की अभी मेरे पास है नहीं,
जिसकी की बहुत मुश्किल से।
आप देख सकते हैं अभी हम एंट्रेंस वहाँ पे। So finally we are going in the top section of this mall, which includes basically home utensils and sofas and decoration items. Let's see.
चिमनी है ये,
कितना 40,000 रुपये का है ना
पूरा सेटअप। अब ये बहुत सही है।
अंकल गए थे और सो गए थे जो चेक करने के लिए। देखिए सोफ़ा की असली पहचान तभी होती है जब आप इस पे बैठ के कंफर्टेबल फील करें।
और नहीं हम इस पे नहीं बैठेंगे।
हम वो अंदर वाला जो सोफ़ा है ना उस पे हम लोग बैठ चुके हैं, पर तो फिर से उस यादें को ताज़ा करते हैं।
ताज़ा करेंगे।
अभी हम लोग को डर ये लग गया था कि हम लोग सोफ़ा पे जैसे ही बैठ रहे थे बस एक अजीब सा
आवाज़ अलर्ट आ रहा था।
आवाज़ आ रहा था, तो हम लोग को लगा कि शायद बैठने की वजह से बैठना अलाउड नहीं होगा। लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छा ये प्लेस है। मतलब अगर आप नया घर बना रहे हो तो यहाँ पे आके आप एक आइडिया ले सकते हो कि आप ये चीज़ अपने घर में लगा सकते हो क्या। बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब बहुत अच्छा है। अब देखिए पीछे हर चीज़ है यहाँ पे, बेड से लेके हर चीज़ है।
घर डिज़ाइनर नहीं चाहिए, आपका घर डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है यहाँ पे। अगर सिंपल भाषा में आप समझना चाहें तो सोफा खरीद के ही जाएंगे, भले जॉब नहीं मिले।
So guys, we tried this sofa and we are going to try a different.
But we are trying some more sofa.
And this sofa is cost. This sofa is
31,900.
31,000.
So we are trying to sit here.
And look,
Comfortable.
it already sold Himanshu there.
It's sold.
But what we can do?
Sit like, we can try that. Our favorite sofa which have foot.
Himanshu, I don't think that this is going to open.
I think it will open. So guys, we have reached to the next sofa. Let's try this sofa. I think Hussein should try the sofa.
Yes.
Let's give your opinion about this.
Oh my god.
How does it feel?
It feels nice and
Like,
it is kind of soft sofa. And let's see.
if we see the pricing of it, we can't find. Yeah, we find the pricing. It's cost around 50,000 with down payments 2,470. You can find.
It is less inclined basically.
And 2-person can sit there.
Person can easily sit.
There are lots of space.
So it will be okay for me. Let's try another.
According to softness, how much it is?
I will mark on the scale of 5 to 3.5.
3.5. Okay, nice. Let's try next one.
This one?
This sofa, I think so. This is same sofa, but have a different color maybe. In camera, you can see it.
Let's try this.
Let's try this sofa.
Oh my god, this is awesome.
Feels awesome.
I will rate it on the scale of 5, 4.5.
4.5.
But
But sorry, but it's sold.
I don't.
It's very unlucky for you. But if we see the cost,
24,900.
It's cost lesser than that, but it feels awesome than that.
Yes, yes.
How cool is that?
It is more softer than that sofa.
Nice, nice. Let's move on to next sofa.
You can sit in
Okay,
this sofa
let me
and
try this.
Let me capture your review about this sofa.
Let me adjust.
Okay. So,
It feels nice, but I think it has lesser height in
okay.
it. If you adjust your head, you have to let it tilt.
Okay.
So if you tilt, it's best.
So-
on rating of 5, I will give 4.7.
4.7. That's great. And tell me about the cost of this sofa.
This sofa cost around 32,000,
Okay.
and you can buy with EMI also. Of course, 1,580.
Oh, that's great. So, guys, you have multiple option. You can choose anyone from. Either you can buy it by paying one time, or you can buy it in simple installment. Around 15, 16, 1700 per month. So,
And this sofa has more space. Let me remind you, this sofa has more space than those two sofa which we have reviewed.
okay.
In space, it has more space,
Yes.
but in height little bit lesser. But in relaxing way, you can sit in comfortable.
Okay. Let's try
move on to
next sofa. लेकिन ऐसे ऐसे बोलते बोलते ही ठीक हो जाएगा क्या? So Himanshu is going to try another one.
Yeah, let me try this.
This is from hometown, I think. So
This sofa is little bit stiff as I compare to the previous ones. Little stiff, but I think so. If you relax or you sit on to watch some TV or so, this is good for your spinal cord.
So
This is
Himanshu,
different.
tell me that how many hours a person can spend on this sofa without having any pain?
I think more than 6 hours. More than
Oh.
6 hours.
That's great.
And those previous one sofa, they can spend whole night. They can sleep also.
Okay,
In
okay.
softness, in nature of softness. But this sofa is comparatively mainly for the watching TV show or watching something.
So guys, as per Himanshu reviews, I can say one thing, that we are not that much professional in these things, but we are just giving our opinions after sitting on sofas. So you can decide that we are basically giving our reviews to the comfortness. We are basically giving our opinions to comfortness.
Comfortness.
I think this is a bit difficult word for me. So let's see more sofas.
Let's see more sofas. Let's move on to the next.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't.
Himanshu, actually this sofa is around
20% off.
Let's see how it comforts.
Here, Hussein, try it. How does it feel?
It feels
In one word?
good.
Good.
Not that much good, but it feels good because it has some hard surface in it. Basically, I don't like this kind of hard surface.
Rating-
I prefer a soft surface in the lower section.
Oh.
That feel us more comfort.
For our back.
Basically, from left and right side, it's basically soft. So I will give it on the scale of 5, 3.
3.
And
Okay.
this sofa is
Here we see the
cost
pricing. It's around 16,000.
and you can buy it
At end sale you have a 70% off also, which is very big amount. Okay. So now let's try next one.
Himanshu, you can try it and I will record.
This sofa has base height mode. As
Okay.
far as I have seen the sofas, previous ones, these are biggest base.
Okay.
So this is comfortable. If you have long height, then this sofa is for you, and you can adjust your legs easily.
Okay. So how many person?
And this sofa is for 2 person,
Okay, 2%.
and this is spacious for the 2 person.
Okay.
You can.
I'm pricing of this.
This sofa cost around 45,000, around 45,000, which is now 40,000 after off.
Oh my.
सुकून ही सुकून, इससे ज़्यादा सुकून कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सोफा.
कितना प्राइस है देखना.
इसका प्राइसिंग है अराउंड 18,000 19,000.
Okay.
50 ऑफ पे चल रहा है अभी.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट द इंस्टॉलमेंट.
Installment is about 940 per month.
ओके.
And if we rate this whole thing, 5 star is less. 5 star is less. Can't do justice.
Oh, you are basically try to say that you are going to give on the scale of 5, but more than 5.
More than 5.
Okay.
On comfortness, it's more than 5.
So Himanshu like this what we can say this Jhula.
This
Jhula
is
in
like
Hindi
this is like Jhula, you can say in Hindi.
or in English.
Or in
I
English
don't know
you
the
can say
exact word, but
swinging sofa. Swinging sofa.
so that's
This is our word. Don't offend.
swinging sofa. And the price, which one I am on,
It's around also 19,000.
is also around 19,000. Both are basically same but having different colors. This is having kind of brown,
Kind of brown.
and this is having
This is having totally white. If you are kind of very real type person, you can also make reels on this with swinging. Let me remind you, this sofa can include 2 persons. We are sitting very comfortably with one.
we are not going to sit together,
Together
but
we can't
we are
sit.
just
saying.
saying
Couple can understand.
that you or your partner both can sit, and whatever I don't want to say here,
Cuddles.
cuddling or anything you want, it's your personal life. We are not going to discuss that. So this sofa is cost you around 28,000. And Himanshu, what's your review about this sofa?
This sofa is very much comfortable in like sitting, and
Okay.
you can just swing also
Okay.
if you want to,
And
just relax and swing.
tell me about softness of this sofa.
Softness is too much. Too much. I mean, if we compare to the past sofa we have sitting,
Yes.
this is I think the best one.
Okay. Let's try. And
So far, so best.
this is small, and this one is large. So
You can also
it's-
buy with the monthly installment of 1,380 rupees.
It creeps on back to shape my smile.
we two are sitting on this sofa, and this sofa is little bit hard on the lower side as well.
I think this sofa is more of couch kind. If you sit with the friends, I think 5-6 friends can be sit. This is too attached, like, and 5-6 friends can be sit together to watch something like on TV, like match or chill out something.
And
This sofa is more like street kind, in my opinion.
this sofa also in the discount 50% off, and this one having 60% off.
This all three particularly not different from the previous one we tried. Actually, they are the same. First sofa we are going to cover.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing.
Sold.
This is sold.
So we can't review. I think so. We have decided to
Many of
review,
the-
but
Many of the
we will
sofa
not review.
have already sold someone, but
Let's
you
try.
can take that for your as a choice, and you can order here. I don't know exact what are the exact procedures,
Yeah.
but you can
You can
choose
visit and
and you can demand that sofa. So this is basically bed section, and this is Let's try this.
Let's try this now. I will
I'm
review
assuming
one
that-
seater and you will review two-seater.
This is basically a complete pack having two small sofas and one big. This is for one person, and this is for basically two person. Two person can easily sit.
In my review, this sofa is basically normal, very normal sofa, not so hi-fi in
Okay.
comfortness, in height, and it's little bit steep also. In review of 5, I will give 2.5. But if you are mid-ranger, if you are a budget family, if you are a middle class, this sofa is for you.
Okay,
Because
okay.
this whole thing cost 14,000 and something.
Okay, this whole set is basically.
Whole set contains.
No, Himanshu, I don't think that, because here it is showing that 22,995. So basically,
I think then
you
this
just
is not
got.
value for money. This sofa has not been.
So basically, this
satisfied for
sofa
me.
is not basically. That's why I think that's why this sofa is apart from all those.
This
because-
cornered one.
Yes, cornered one, because we also don't think that you are going to buy this.
This one.
This
Because
is
this is
not
also-
for budget friendly,
Yeah.
or we can say that this is not value for money.
Value for money and comfortness is also.
Also not that good. So don't. We are
Don't go
just
for it.
giving our opinions. If you want, you can buy.
Don't go for it. For our
So-
last review, and this review will be done by itself, the YouTuber MD Hussain.
This is so
How it feels in one word.
awesome.
Awesome.
I like the lower portion. I like the back portion. This is inclined one,
And this height also.
and also this is well suited for the person having more height. And also this is kind of soft sofa, and also 3% can easily sit.
And this sofa, I think it is sold. Very unlucky for you, but
But,
it cost around 50,000.
So in my opinion, you can go for this sofa definitely.
And how much rating if you give out of 5? If someone asks.
I can give it. I will give it 5 out of 10. This is
Oh.
so comfortable.
So this is my
And also-
must buy for you. So guys, it's all about of our sofa section, the reviewing our sofa section. So how does it feel after reviewing all this sofa and all?
Basically, we are reviewed many sofas, and we have to give our opinions about sofas which we have tried, and we can say you can buy. And definitely, you can choose, and you will going to choose if you are try to buy here. If you are going to buy here, because we include all the sofas, different sofas having different price ranges and different comfort zones. And so now. तो हिमांशु, कैसा लग रहा है इस जगह पे आकर के? ये हमारा वन ऑफ द फेवरेट प्लेस है, सबको पहले ये बता देते हैं। मतलब आज से हम लोग ठीक 1 से 2 साल पहले जब फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे आए थे, तो इसी जगह पे हम लोग एक पेपर पढ़ रहे थे वहाँ पे, जो कि अभी पेपर नहीं है।
जो सुकून मिलता है वो इंसान ये सुकून कभी खरीद नहीं सकता। यहाँ का जो सुकून, इस सोफे का सुकून है, और लाइफ में एक ऐसा ही सोफा चाहिए, ऐसा लग्जरी चाहिए लाइफ में, तो लाइफ सेट है।
उस टाइम नए जब कहीं आप जगह पे जाते हो तो थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, अब डर खत्म हो गया तो लोग बैठ जाते हैं। तो आप लोग भी कभी आना सेंट्रल मॉल में, देखिए टाउन में, तो यहाँ पर ज़रूर बैठ के देखने एक बार, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
So guys, it's
ये वाला जो सो गाइस, फाइनली आफ्टर ऑल रिव्यू वी आर फाइनली गोइंग टू
It's all about today, so we are going to leave for today. It was nice day reviewing all the sofas.
If you have anything regarding to review, let's do comment in the comment section.
Yeah, we will see in the next video, and we will try to make.
Cover.
If you like this kind of review things, so we will try to
Definitely
make.
make for you, and just try to just let us know in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
I was wrong.